Well, actually, not in pursuit, but just following the motorcycle they're at. But this, I believe they initiated a traffic stop and took off. They positive were not in pursuit, they were just keeping in sight. And when they were pushing our assistance, that is correct. With what?
11 to 10 stays behind him now. We're coming up on the north interchange, 530.
It was the initial call to us, it was a pursuit, but then all doctors told me that they was not going to return the plan.
I'm behind him. Northbound.
104113 and
Only 65. I believe
go back to the district.
This is falling because they're not allowed to chase motorcycles.
1041. I'll stay with that.
And the county said they're going to pull that monthly to go back to the county. There's only one cop that's there with you.
It is unlicensed motorcycle. White metal. Speeds are only 72. Looks like we're going to go 30 east. 530. Going 1037. Speeds are only 70 miles an hour, 30 east, 550 north.
We're out
12 to 14, I'm taking 30 east now.
139 Roosevelt.
Speeds are down about 55. Just past Roosevelt.
Adam 14 still in front of me. He's got it lit up. I've turned my lights on to stay behind and keep traffic off us.
Open at 630. Speeds 57 miles an hour at light traffic.
Where are you from the 630?
We're going to stay 30 east, passing the 129, speed 57, light traffic.
Speed 57 right traffic.
Drunk today. We're still I-30 eastbound, approaching the Arkansas River Bridge. He's still on 60 mile an hour.
JFK.
Coming over the river bridge now, speeds 58 miles an hour, light traffic. Well, where are you at?
I got you. I'm coming up on the Broadway. To 14, I'm at site. Where are you at?
We just passed the Broadway exit, speed 61 miles an hour, light traffic.
Out of 12 up rock on secondary, I'll call it. 130, speed 56, light traffic. You guys able to safely block the units between the barriers? I'm coming up there, north interchange right now. Before I'm past the side. 12, I'm ahead of you.
CFS comments.
16, coming up behind you.
Get right there, I'll get on that west side.
There, I'll get on his left side. And deputy still behind you? Yeah, 10-4, Saline County still with us. North, it looks like. We're straight now. Can you get in front of him and I'll take the place on the right for the box? Make sure you didn't take the cane. Left lane. Let him take the left shoulder. He takes the left shoulder.
We're almost going down right here. We're going to keep that right side shut.
Up on your left. Do not try boxing at those side speeds. We're doing about 65. You said back up. We're back up to about 125. Coming up on some light traffic. We're passing 4 exits. Six in front.
Speed's about 130, coming up on the 6. Speed's still about 135. Light traffic. Coming up on the 8. Past the 8, speed's about 130. Low traffic.
You'll be able to fast, you just focus good. We get into 2-lane in Jacksonville, airport period. Today? Check the rear view.
Try to box it when it slows down.
Taking a left.
Let me see your hands. Get your hands. Hang on, we gotta pick the bike up. Hang on, let's gotta pick the bike up. Fucking dumbass. Yes, sir. Well, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Take the helmet off. Take the helmet off. Shut that goddamn siren off. Oh, yes, sir. Sit up. Yes, sir. What's your name? Edward Davis. Edward Davis. Yes, sir. Yeah. You're under arrest. Yes, sir. For fleeing. Yes, sir. You'll be going back with me to Saline County Jail. You understand? Yes, sir.
The last guy that fled in Saline County, you know what he did? 15 years in prison.
Guy before that did like 70.
Take a job, though. It ain't no missing.
Stand up. Yes, sir. Edward Davis, where do you live? Number 8. Where? Number 8, Have I chased you before? Yes, sir. Didn't I chase you in the black truck and they pitted you out here on the 440 state police did? You didn't learn your lesson the first time? You got anything on you just this kind of program? Yes, sir. Any illegal narcotics? Yes, sir. What are you running for, man? So you just running from the police? You didn't learn last time when I tried to stop you? And you ran and they pitted you out right back here? Sir. Come on, bro.
Whose bike is this?
Mine, sir. It's very good to me. All right, let's walk back to my truck off. little bit, but we figured it out.
He's suspended, that's the whole thing.
Y'all did a good job, man. That was good to watch.
Good shit.
Well, hey, we said we wanted to get one tonight, so
We got it, bro.
we got a whole post one.
Old midnight post makes it easy.
Let's go!
Somebody has to drive I'll do it, but I'll have the whole way.
Did I get an escort like he did?
This is the same guy. I chased him in the black trucks.
He's suspended. He ain't got
Yeah,
no
he
warrant.
no warrant or nothing. Same thing as last time. And they pitted him on 440 just at the river bridge. They pitted him there. I mean, exact same thing. So, y'all tell one of y'all want me to do the record.
We got one.